Hi, today there will be the review the soldering iron, USB soldering iron, 5 volts, 8 watts. So it helps to solve more problems where you don't have electricity. You can use power bank or other USB power supply, but most people think about computer, personal computer or laptop, and so it's 8 watts and it is 1.6 amperes the current, so it is not recommended to use your personal computer or laptop because the USB output of laptops, computers are not so powerful, so it is not recommended to use such portable devices. It is recommended to use power banks or other power supply, but it is very helpful for solving more problems. So you can use a power bank with output not less than 1.6 amperes. Yeah, for example 2 amperes and so on. So let's test this soldering iron. So now my power bank is not ready to use, it is not charged, so for testing I will use charger with 2 amperes output, 5 volts, 2 amperes output. So I just prepare for using it. So as I told earlier, it is 8 watts, 5 volts, 8 watts. So not recommended to use a laptop or personal computer, because usually personal computer has an output 1 ampere or less, and the laptops 0.5 amperes. It is 500 milliamperes. It is so less, so not recommended to use personal computers, laptops. Use power banks or some suitable things. Yeah. So just connect, plug in, and we will test. So more people can say it is not so good soldering iron, but it is very effective and very helpful, and it is a very good thing anyway, because there are some situations when we don't have electricity and we can have, for example, power bank and our power supply, USB power supply. So for testing I will solder the old things here, these components. So we will solder and make some connections to see how good it works. Yeah. So it hits very fast. Yeah, you can see the red indicator, LED, and I just clear the tip, and you can see it is ready for use. So I just solder this wire here. It is fast. Then the next one. And then it's good connection and a very strong connection. Yeah. yeah, it is hitting very good, 5 volts, and I used 2 amperes charger. It is like for demonstrating, for you to show you how it works. So you can also buy the soldering tip for this soldering iron. So you can then change the soldering tip if you need. Now, overheating. Oh, it's no problem. The high temperature just plug out. Very good connection, strong enough. So, and now I will desolder. Just plug, take, and yes. Yes, it is very fast, and this one also good. So it's very portable device, portable USB soldering iron. So it is well designed, and this power is enough for making some the basic things, yeah, to solder, desolder, and it's very helpful that you don't have electricity, because more people have a power bank, and it is recommended to use power bank, and some devices not recommended to use for power supply, laptop and personal computers, because the output current is very less. Yeah, it is 500 milliamperes, maximum 1 amperes, and this device, so it uses 1.6 amperes current. So please don't use your personal computer, not recommended. Power bank is and our power supply is best for use. Okay, thanks for attention. Subscribe for my channel. You will see my new videos. Click the bell. You will see notifications, and like this video. And thanks for watching. So bye.